Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with the review of AUKEY's Ora 2-in-1 Lens Kit that you can get for your smartphone. So it comes with two different lenses and they screw in together so you can use either the 140 degree wide angle or the 10 times macro zoom lens. So it's really cool. Now with that zoom lens, you got to get within zero point 0.4 to 1 inches of what it is that you're trying to take a look at for it to zoom in properly. But what's also nice with both of the lenses is you can still zoom in manually with your camera, so you can get additional capabilities on top of it, but it doesn't really work so well with the flash, and so don't worry about that. But for natural photography, you're good to go. Now inside of the box you get, of course, their little gold warranty card. This has a 2-year warranty on it, and before I get too far, I just want to say it's 20 bucks for this kit, $19.99, and it's absolutely fantastic for $19.99. So a little bit of a user manual there. There's not a whole lot. It really just shows you how to put the adapter on, which is very easy. It's got the little clip there, the little clamp, and that's what positions it and holds it in place on your phone. Simply just unscrew the cap off of the lens and put it on there, and you get this cool microfiber bag. Now make sure you have the lens caps on when you put it inside of the bag so you don't risk scratching anything up. But it's got the nice little zipped little drawstring on there so you can toss everything in there and package it up neatly. Now, it's very easy to use both of these lenses. The macro lens you can use by itself, but if you want to use the wide lens, you have to screw it in to the macro lens. It's a 2-piece adapter set, and that's how it works. The lens caps come off easy. You have the little one with the push buttons for the front lens, and then the screw off one for the back lens. And as you can see there, nice, made out of aluminum. Of course, you've got the glass. Very, very nice setup. Now, like I said, all you have to do is unscrew it, and here's a little example right there. You have to get really, really close to what you're looking at. It says in the manual 0.4 to 1 inches of distance between whatever it is that you're zooming in on. Also, it comes with a microfiber cloth that you can use to clean off the lenses in case you get fingerprints or anything else on them. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how to put this on the adapter, and then how to apply it to your phone so you can use it. So you've got the threads on the back there, you have the threads on the mount, you just screw that in, easy peasy. And then once you get it screwed in, all you have to do is just like a little clamp there, you push on the back of both sides, and then you can put it on your phone properly. Now the little clamp part goes on the screen side, of course, and actually, you can use this with a selfie camera if you have a selfie camera that's distanced far enough away and you can mount it on there, like with the S10 or the S10 Plus. But primarily, it's designed for the rear camera. You want to make sure you get it nice and centered over the camera lens, and then once you do that, you can fire it up. And there you go. This is the macro lens, so you can get nice up close and personal with whatever it is that you're trying to look at. And it's a really nice feature set because this is something that you don't get with the built-in camera on your phone. And then the wide lens is also really nice as well. So to use the wide lens, you want to go ahead and screw that into the macro lens. Just do it while it's already on the adapter so you can mount it right back on the phone. Pop it right back on the phone, and there, make sure you get it lined up and centered on the camera, because if you don't, you're going to get kind of the blur and the fisheye around the edges. So you have to make sure you get it nice and centered on the camera itself. So that's what it looks like with the wide lens. And don't worry, I've got some sample photos. But that's what it looks like with the wide lens on, and then pop it off, ta-da. So that 140 degree angle wide lens is actually really nice. You can see there's quite a bit of a difference there with what you're able to see. Now here's some of the sample photos I took. So I took this one with the macro lens, and then I took this one with the wide angle lens, and there's several different ones in here, and if you're squeamish, I took one of a water bug I found outside on the wall. So here's an illustration. So took a picture of it, and then here's a picture of it zoomed in even farther with the manual zoom, so you can get up close and personal with whatever it is that you want to look at. But anyway, I think that it's a really nice adapter that you can get for your phone. There are a lot of other companies that make some that cost a lot more money than this. So at $19.99, I've been really impressed with it. I like it a lot. It has everything that you need so that you can go ahead and mount it on your phone. You can use it for the wide angle configuration or the macro zoom, which is really nice because a lot of phones, especially the lesser expensive phones, don't have this capability. So to be able to just buy something that costs 20 bucks and get all this expanded photography capability that you can put on your phone is really, really nice. So that's all I've got with the Ora 2-in-1 Lens Kit adapter. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure you hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell for the latest and greatest. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.